Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm showing off OpenGL and this basic project I've been working on. So if we run it, it creates a console, but it basically just creates this window with this orange rectangle. So if we close this out, the way it works is we have GLAD and the OpenGL library, and you have to do the dependencies and include them manually. It's a third party, but once you do that, we can go down here. So I initialize a window. We set the version to 3.3, which is the first version that uses core. And this just means you don't have, the program itself doesn't do most of the stuff. You have to do most of it. However, it makes it very flexible. And then we create a window 800 by 600 pixels. We call it learn OpenGL. And then we check, did it actually create? Otherwise, we'll spit out an error message. And then we check if GLAD loaded, and GLAD allows you to, since OpenGL just talks with the graphics card, GLAD just helps it and makes sure that the code doesn't change or the way the graphic card doesn't work. Like it just handles different systems in essence. And then got this viewport. This just like adds it to the viewport, 800 by 600 pixels. Then we set the frame buffer, and then we do four vertices, and we create two triangles. So we created a triangle off 0, 1, and 3. So these three, and then 1, 2, and 3. So these three, as the other two are like kind of that center line of the rectangle. Then we create a vertex buffer object like this. We create a vertex shader. We check if the shader was successful. Then we create a fragment shader, do the same thing, and we write a shader program, which just combines these two right here, and then links it. And then if it doesn't work, it'll spit out an error message. And then we do this, which we do the pointers, and we basically say that each triangle is 12 or 3 times the size of a float, which because there's an x, a y, and a z for each triangle. And then we say that we start at 0, so the 0th triangle. We create a vertical array object. Then we create an element buffer object. And then the render loop, this is a while loop. While the window's not closed, we process input, we clear the color, we clear color and set it to that like cyan, this color here, and then we clear with it. And then the input, if we push escape, it exits. And then we use the program, the shader, we bind it to the vertical array object, and then we draw the triangle or the triangles in. And then at the end we delete everything. And up here we have the input. So if we push escape, we close the window, and this thing just, if we push play and we go, we go full screen, you can see that it keeps proportions and stuff. Alright, that's all I wanted to show you in this video. It's not a lot, but I just wanted to show the progress I've been making, and next week I'll upload anything else I get done. And click here if you want to see a memory game made in C++. Alright, see ya.